We have set up Claude. We have talked about creating folders and files. Let's talk about skills. Skills are basically instructions that Claude Code can do, and think of them as experts or AI agents for a specific skill. So I have lots of skills here. There is a guy named Corey Haines who I have so much appreciation for. He has a GitHub repo where he has a bunch of marketing skills, and I imported all of these skills here. I'm going to show you how you can do that as well. But let me first show you what a skill actually is. So for example, if I have a copywriting skill and I open it, you can open files by just simply clicking on it. And I open it, you can see that it has lots of instructions. So first off, it is going to, before writing, check if it knows the information to these questions, because it is important for the copywriter to know the answer to these questions. Now, if it does, because it looked at your folders and files and all the info that you have, then it won't ask you these questions. But if it doesn't know the answer, then it will actually ask you the questions and you will have to answer. And then we have copywriting principles, writing styles, quality check. So really just a bunch of great things that make it write a very good copy. You won't have to keep prompting it and figuring out how to make it less generic and things like that. It already knows how to do that. So how can you import these skills? Well, first of all, you can create skills on your own. And you can create it by simply telling Claude, I am creating a skill. This is what it needs to know, and you write everything down. And whenever you want to update or change a skill, you just simply write to Claude Code, I want to change this skill. How do you invoke skills? You can either just say, use the copywriting skill that you have, or you can use this slash and then write copywriting. That's how you can use the skills. Now, how can you import these marketing skills? What I want you to do is come into GitHub, Corey Haines' GitHub. I will have this link in my description. You're going to come here and let's see what he has. So he has a bit of introduction on what skills are, how the skills work together, and then he has all of the available skills listed with a bit of description. This is amazing. And then he also has the installation instructions. So you can either install it in your terminal or install it with a Claude Code plugin. I did try the plugin and it didn't work for me, so I just used the terminal. But since I am not a good tech wizard either, all I did was I copied this entire section and I already started using Claude Code, and I told Claude Code, okay, these are my instructions, please help me import all of these skills. And it did it for me.